It's hard to believe that just a year ago, I had a mountain of college brochures and the biggest decision of my life to make. Most of my friends and family decided to go to big state schools. I'd gotten in, but instead, I decided to come to Oxford College of Emory University. It's tucked away right outside of Covington, Georgia, and after 2 years, you move on to the Atlanta campus, where you can experience all the benefits of a major research university. But your 2 years here at Oxford, you get to live in a small campus where the professors know your name and everybody knows everybody. When you walk through the quad at Oxford, you experience what's so special about this place all at once.
Because only freshmen and sophomores attend Oxford, we get to be the leads of the plays, the captains of the athletic teams, and the student government presidents. Nobody's on the bench at Oxford.
I teach philosophy at Oxford, and in my classroom, students get to become passionate about all sorts of new ideas they've never considered before. And they will often take that into several different fields, from business to human health to environmental law. It's my hope that they can take ideas from these conversations that we start at Oxford in order to realize what a more just world would look like. Nothing gets in the way of our core mission, which is our teaching. We want to find new ways to continually engage and challenge our students.
I'm a junior on Emory's Atlanta campus. I came here after 2 years at Oxford College, and I love it here just as much as I love my tight-knit community at Oxford. My friends and I are inspired about what will come next in our lives as we walk among graduate students who focus on business, public health, law, medicine, nursing, and theology. As busy as I am, I still find time to get involved with campus life. There's so much to do here at Emory: sports, recreational activities, cultural events, and gaining experience through internships that will prepare me for the real world.
Every student at Oxford takes science, and all our professors insist on teaching a lab section with every course. They say science isn't the study of textbooks, but it's the study of the natural world. We're not just taking prerequisites in a giant lecture hall, we're doing real science in our first and second years. We learn to conduct experiments, to write papers, and to present our work in a practical way applicable to the real world.
There's a vibrancy here at Oxford that's a product of having under 1,000 students and a faculty dedicated exclusively to their undergraduate education in the first 2 years. Over 180 years ago, Oxford was formed to bring people from across Georgia and the region together to learn and then to go back out and to serve the world. Today, that literally is the world. People coming from every continent, from all parts of the United States, to learn at Oxford and at Emory, and then to go back out and make a big difference in a world that needs mutual respect and understanding.
When it comes to keeping active or being involved with sports, there are a lot of opportunities here at Oxford. From varsity, intramurals, and pickup games, to activities and clubs in the arts. These include painting, theater, along with lots of other social activities.
After just a few months here, this place already feels like home. It's the relationships with the students here, my instructors, and the reputation of Emory University. This place is me, and this is Oxford.